Dear students, today we continue with some more problems related to first PUC trigonometry. Okay? Next problem. If ABCD are the angles of a quadrilateral or the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means quadrilateral in a circle. Okay? Cyclic quadrilateral. Then find the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. Okay? If A, B, C, D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, then find the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. Now, what is the property of a cyclic quadrilateral? In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. The opposite angles are supplementary. That means their sum is 180 degree. That means we have A plus C is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, B plus D is also equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now, how to arrive at these ratios? If A plus C equals 180 degree, it implies A is equal to 180 degree minus C. A equals 180 minus C, or it implies cos A equals cos of 180 minus C. Cos of 180 minus theta, second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos is negative. 180 plus or minus, no change. No change means cos C. For cos A is equal to minus cos C, it implies cos A plus cos C is equal to 0. Cos A plus cos C is equal to 0. Similarly, cos B plus cos D is also equal to 0. Therefore, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is also equal to 0. Okay? Next problem. Second problem. If cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin z is equal to 0. Evaluate cos of x minus y. What is the value of cos of x minus y? Okay, two equations are given. One is cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0. Another one is sin x plus sin y plus sin z equal to 0. You have to find the value of cos of x minus y. Okay? Now, how to arrive at this? You carefully observe. Now, this first equation implies cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos z. Similarly, second equation implies sin x plus sin y equals minus sin z. Here, you carefully observe, we have to eliminate this cos z and sin z. Okay? How to eliminate? Squaring and add. Square both the equations. Okay? And add first and second. If you square the first equations, what do you get? Cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos square z. Okay? Similarly, second equation, squaring both sides, sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y is equal to sin square z. You know that cos square z plus sin square z is equal to 1. Is it not? Add A and B. when you have to add the corresponding numbers. Okay? A plus B. Now what do you get? Cos square x plus sin square x 1. Cos square y plus sin square y 1. 2 cos x cos y plus 2 sin x sin y. What is the common factor? 2 into cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to cos of x minus y equals cos square z plus sin square z is equal to 1. Okay? Now cos square x plus sin square x 1 plus cos square y plus sin square y 1 plus 2 cos x cos y plus 2 sin x sin y 2 cos of x minus y is equal to cos square z plus sin square z 1. Therefore, it implies 2 cos of x minus y equals 1 cancels, you get 0. Shift 1 to right hand side minus 1, or it implies cos of x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos of x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay? Next problem. Okay. Now, first we prove a result, then we apply that result to a given problem. Okay. Now, first usually prove ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta. Okay. First you prove that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta. ಇದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್. LHS equals what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta plus cot theta cos theta by sin theta LCM cos theta sin theta in the numerator you get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, you know the formula for sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, is it not? Multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. You get 2 over 2 sin theta cos theta, or 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, 2 over sin 2 theta, 2 cosecant 2 theta. Okay, this is the result. Okay, just remember tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 theta. Okay, now the problem here. If 2 secant 2 alpha is equal to tan beta plus cot beta, what is the value of alpha plus beta? If 2 secant 2 alpha is equal to tan beta plus cot beta, what is the value of alpha plus beta? Okay, now you know that tan beta plus cot beta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 beta, is it not? Therefore, it implies 2 secant 2 alpha is equal to 2 cosecant 2 beta. Okay, of course you can cancel 2 into. Now, what is the relation between secant and cosecant? Co-function, is it not? Secant of 90 minus theta equals cosecant theta, or cosecant of 90 minus theta equals secant theta. Therefore, it implies secant 2 alpha is equal to secant of pi by 2 minus 2 beta. Secant 2 alpha equals secant of pi by 2 minus 2 beta. Secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Now you equate the angles on both sides. It implies 2 alpha is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 beta. Shift minus 2 beta to left hand side. 2 into alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2, or alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, if you know this result, you can directly apply. Okay, tan beta plus cot beta is equal to 2 cosecant 2 beta. Okay. Next problem. If A and B are the roots of the equation, what is the equation? A cos x plus B sin x is equal to C. Okay, evaluate. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Either sin of x plus y or cos of x plus y or tan of x plus y. Okay, ಮೂರನೇದಕ್ಕೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಡಿರೈವ್ the formula for tan of x plus y by 2. Okay, how to write? Carefully observe. Tan of a plus b by 2, of course. Now, given a and b are the roots of the equation. That means you can replace x by a and b. Therefore, the first equation is a cos a plus b sin a is equal to c. Similarly, a cos b plus b sin b is also equal to c. Okay, a and b are the roots of the equation. Now we just subtract term by term. Okay, a cos a minus a cos b, because c minus c you get 0. Okay, a into cos a minus cos b plus b into sin a minus sin b is equal to c minus c 0. Okay, a into cos a minus cos b plus b into sin a minus sin b is equal to 0, or it implies a into cos a minus cos b equals minus b into sin a minus sin b. Is it not? Minus b into sin a minus sin b. Now cos c minus cos d, sin c minus sin d. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Both are sign with negative sign. What is sin a minus sin b? First cos, then sin. 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Okay, now you apply the formula. A into minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2 equals minus b into, what is sin a minus sin b? 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Of course, you can cancel sin of a minus b by 2, sin of a minus b by 2, and you can also cancel 2 and also minus minus. Okay, now shift cos of a plus b by 2 to left hand side. Okay, sin of a plus b by 2 divided by cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan of a plus b by 2. It is equal to b over a. Just remember this result. Tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to b over a. Okay, now we can derive either sin of a plus b, cos of a plus b, tan of a plus b. You know the formula. What is sin of a plus b? Now express sin theta in terms of tan theta. What is the formula? Sin theta equals 2 tan theta by 2 over 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Theta plays an a plus b. Okay? Therefore 2 tan a plus b by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a plus b by 2. But what is tan of a plus b by 2? B over a. 2 into b over a over 1 plus b square over a square. Now here a square is the LCM. Of course you can cancel a also. If you simplify this, you get 2ab over a square plus b square. This is sin of a plus b. Okay? First you have to derive the formula for tan of a plus b by 2, that is equal to b over a. Because even ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು you can find the value for sin of a plus b. Okay? Next, cos of a plus b. This cos of a plus b. We express cos theta in terms of tan theta. Cos 2 theta equals 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Here 1 minus tan square a plus b by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a plus b by 2. Now what is tan of a plus b by 2? B over a. Therefore it is equal to 1 minus b square over a square divided by 1 plus b square over a square. Of course a square LCM can cancel the denominators. You get a square minus b square over a square plus b square. Okay? Move into tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b equals 2 tan of a plus b by 2 over 1 minus tan square a plus b by 2. Okay? Sin alli plus barutte, tan alli minus. That's all the difference. Okay? Tan of a plus b is equal to 2 tan a plus b by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square a plus b by 2. 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. Now 2 into b over a over 1 minus b square over a square. Okay, illu saha a square LCM ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, a cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that a goes to numerator. You get 2ab over a square minus b square. 2ab over a square minus b square. Okay? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಎರಡು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೋಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 120 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 120. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ Okay. Now, how to simplify this? You carefully observe. Sin theta. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು a, ಇದು b, ಇದು a b. Okay. 2 sin a means sin theta. Cos b means cos 120 degree. But cos 120 is equal to cos of 180 minus 60. Is it not? 180 minus 60 means second quadrant cos is negative minus, but no change. Cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to minus plus 1 by 2 minus cos 60 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, it is equal to sin theta plus 2 sin theta into minus 1 by 2. 2 to cancel other, it is equal to 0. You just remember this result. Sin theta plus sin of theta plus 120 plus sin of theta minus 120 is equal to 0. Okay? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 120 ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 120 ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಬದಲು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. sin theta, keep it as it is, plus sin of theta plus 120 plus sin of theta minus 120 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You just add 360 degree. 360 means 2 pi. 2 pi means 0 only. Okay. But what is 360? There is no change in the value. Okay. But 360 minus 120 is equal to sin 240. Okay. Sin of theta plus 120 plus sin of theta plus 240 is equal to 0. Same result. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? theta minus 120 ಗೆ we have just added 360. Okay, result same, equal to 0. Okay. Then ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. in terms of pi ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ sin theta plus sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus sin of theta plus 4 pi by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, or sin theta plus sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus sin of theta minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 0. ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 0 ಅಂತ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ theta, same result, plus cos of theta plus 120 plus cos of theta minus 120 is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. Okay, 2 cos a cos b. Okay. Now again cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore 2 cos theta into minus 1 by 2. 2 to cancel ಆದರೆ cos theta minus cos theta 0. Okay. Again this equation can be written as cos theta plus cos of theta plus 120 degree plus cos of theta plus 240 degree is equal to 0. Okay. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಫ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? sin theta 120 sin of 120 plus theta sin of 120 minus theta ಆರ್ theta plus 120 theta plus 240 cos of ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾವು. cos theta over x is equal to cos of theta plus 120 over y is equal to cos of theta minus 120 over z. Good. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? 3 ratios are equal. Evaluate x plus y plus z. Evaluate x plus y plus z equals to what? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಇದು ಸಮ್ k ಅಂತ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, cos theta over x plus cos of theta plus 120 over y is equal to cos of theta minus 120 over z is equal to k. Now we express x y z in terms of cos theta. Okay, now how to express? Now it implies what is x? Just cross multiply cos theta over k. Is it right? Y is equal to cos of theta plus 120 degree over k. Similarly, z is equal to cos of theta minus 120 over k. Okay? Now, x plus y plus z equals, of course, 1 over k is the common factor. 1 over k is the common factor. Therefore, cos theta plus cos of theta plus 120 degree plus cos of theta minus 120 degree. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 over k into 0 is equal to 0 ಬಂದು. Therefore, x plus y plus z equal to 0. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 240 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ? ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. x plus y plus z is equal to 0. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕಾಸ್ ಬದಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದೇನೆ, x into sin theta equals y into sin of theta plus 120 equals z into sin of theta plus 240. So theta minus 120 ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ xy plus yz plus zx ಇದು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? xy plus yz plus zx ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಆರ್ 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋ ಬದಲು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ x y z ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? ಸೇಮ್ sin theta over 1 over x ಅಲ್ವಾ? sin theta over 1 over x is equal to x sin theta. Similarly, sin of theta plus 120 over 1 over y is equal to sin of theta plus 240 divided by 1 over z. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ? x y z ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 over x 1 over y 1 over z ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. therefore it implies 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z is equal to 0. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ x y z ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 over x 1 over y 1 over z ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. if you simplify this, what is the LCM? x y z. In the numerator you get xx cancel, yz plus yy cancels, xz plus xy is equal to 0. Or it implies xy plus yz plus zx is also equal to 0. ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 0. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಆ 4 ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ simplify the evaluate 1/2 sin 10 degree minus 2 sin 70 degrees. What? 1/2 sin 10 degree minus 2 sin 70 degree. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. Now what is the LCM? 2 sin 10. Okay. Of course, in the numerator you get 1 minus 2 into 2 sin 70 degree into sin 10 degree. Okay. Now minus 2 sin A sin B minus 2 sin A sin B is the formula for sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Is it right? Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Okay, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. So I can C ಮತ್ತೆ D side ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ sin C minus sin D equals minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. ಎ ಬದಲು 70 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಬಿ ಬದಲು 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಮೈನಸ್ 2 sin A sin B ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. ಹಿಯರ್ 1 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 into sin of A plus B 70 plus 10 80 degree minus sin of A minus B 70 minus 10. Sorry, minus 2 sin A sin B equals sorry cos. Okay, small correction. Cos C minus cos C. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Sorry, cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Here cos of A plus B 70 plus 10 80 degree minus cos of 70 minus 10 60 degree divided by 2 sin 10 degree. Okay, but cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 cos 80 degree. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 divided by 2 sin 10 degree. Okay, 1 plus 2 cos 80 degree minus 2 into cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancels 1. This 1 minus 1 cancels. Similarly, 2 also cancels. But you know that cos 80 degree is equal to sin 10 degree. This cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Answer is 1. Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು tan square of tricky problem pi by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to p over q. It is given. Okay, tan square of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to pi by q. Now find the value for sin x. So we have to express sin x in terms of p and q. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರಿಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೌ ದಿಸ್ sin x is equal to cos of 90 plus theta. It's not cos of 90 plus theta equals minus sin theta. For minus sin x equals cos of pi by 2 plus x. Now you express cos theta in terms of tan theta. You know the formula. What is cos theta? 1 minus tan square theta by 2 over 1 plus tan square theta by 2. What is cos theta? 1 minus tan square theta by 2 over 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Theta place ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 plus x ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, theta by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 1 minus tan square pi by 2 plus x, half of it, pi by 4 plus x by 2, is it not? Divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 4 plus x by 2. But tan square of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to p over q. Therefore, 1 minus p over q over 1 plus p over q. Now q LCM can cancel the denominator. You get q minus p over q plus p. This is minus sin x. Okay. Therefore, what is sin x? Multiply both sides by minus p minus q over p plus q. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅರೆಗ ಬಂತು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಈಗ? Okay. We continue in the next class with some more problems. Okay. Thank you.